Guys, Todd James here. I got a comment, and several people kind of piled on after the first comment saying my videos were boring. I am so sorry. I am here trying to teach some skills and give some insight. I'm sorry I don't have the props that some other people have. I'm sorry that I don't, have the manic behavior that some people have. But I'm trying to give you the information and help you build a skill set necessary to make money online, and I take it seriously. So while I am guilty of not being flashy, I don't have a Ferrari parked behind me, I'm not sitting on the hood of a Lamborghini as we speak, I encourage you to take a deep breath, slow down for a second, and listen to what I'm saying in my videos, because I'm trying to impart and convey valuable information that can help you make money. I take it seriously in my life. I try not to give you information which is misleading or false, and I try and give you a greater depth of information than you might be getting from other sources. So if you have a short attention span and your eyes roll back in your head when you hear big words, then I'm sorry. I'm guilty as charged for being boring. But on the other hand, if your attention span gets bigger as your wallet gets bigger, then I think you're going to find that my videos have a lot of content that you'll find useful, and I hope you can maybe watch them at double speed, do something that can help you survive an 8 or 9 or 10 minute video, because a lot of times it's that one piece of information that you hear in the video that can make a difference of thousands of dollars in your online experience, whether you're selling on Amazon or Shopify or doing affiliate marketing. I just want to make sure I get that information in there so that you have it available to use. And I don't know, if I get more comments that my videos are boring, maybe I'll buy a monkey or start playing with puppies or something to keep things more interesting. But speaking of puppies, I mean, I'm sure that many of you have wasted hours watching puppy videos on YouTube or kitten videos on YouTube. So telling me that an 8 or 10 minute video is too long, that you can't pay attention for that long, while at the same time you're trying to make money online, you may have your priorities a little bit out of order. Give me 10 minutes and give the puppies 2 minutes. Maybe that would work out better for you in the long run. But anyway, I'm not trying to rant here. It was funny. One person made a comment and 3 or 4 other people went like, yeah, all of his videos are 10 minutes long. So this one isn't 10 minutes long. I just wanted to let you know that I've heard you, and I'm ignoring you, but I heard you. So anyway, please hit the subscribe button. I don't expect you to like this video, so I won't even ask, but please hit the subscribe button. Try and grow your attention span, and I'll be out with some more videos shortly.